The date for the next European election has been set. From the 6th to the 9th of June 2024, every person in every member state will go to vote. European Union democracy is more important today than ever. Your vote matters. It will decide the direction our union will take. It will decide what Europe you want to see. Over the past years, we have experienced a global pandemic, war on our continent, an energy crisis, inflation and cyber warfare, all while the clock of a climate emergency keeps on ticking. The European Union has delivered. Our response has been unprecedented. We have come together in defense of our values and for our way of life. We have done this in solidarity. We have been firm in our support of Ukraine. We have procured vaccines for all European Union citizens because we have realized that we get more when we are together. Today, EU citizens are more protected in the event of an emergency or a disaster. We have seen Romanian firefighters in Spain, French patients treated in Luxembourg hospitals, Slovenian rescue workers helping Italy, Estonian cyber tech providing security for us all. That is solidarity. That is Europe. A Europe we cannot take for granted. And we are working for more fairness between people with new rules for equal pay. Our new European migration laws will mean a process that is fair with those in need of protection, firm with those who are not eligible, and strong against traffickers exploiting the most vulnerable. Our new European climate laws will mean cleaner air, healthier rivers and seas, stronger economies. They will bring about the green transition and make us the first carbon-neutral continent by 2050. Together with the digital transition, it will bring new opportunities, increase our competitiveness, and bring economic growth. The European Union is not perfect. It is evolving continuously. The world is changing, and we must change with it. Also, we need reform. We cannot be afraid of change. We must embrace it as we keep listening, keep explaining, and keep delivering. For that, Europe needs you to take part, to not give in to easy cynicism and indifference, to recapture the sense of hope and possibility that the European Union offers, to vote. Don't miss out on the next European elections. Get on the register. Be part of the largest democratic exercise in Europe. Do not let someone else choose for you. Vote.